Hey everyone! Today's project is a special collaboration with Arrtx, and they were super nice to send me this box of 60 acrylic markers just to try out on a project. So I decided to do this little summer fishies display, and I just wanted to see how the markers work with paper clay. So for this project, I used a simple wooden frame. I think this one is from IKEA and it's really cheap. Then you need some paper clay and some tools, and I'm using the Arrtx markers. They come in this really pretty box with like 4 trays, and it has like a nice assortment of pastel and earthy colors, I think. For the fishies, I will include the template so you can print it out and cut it out yourself, but I just pancaked a bit of paper clay and then I just cut around the fish shape, and you could just leave them as is and just paint everything on top, but I did decide to do like an eye and some fins and gills. After I was done with all the fishies, I just let them dry and then I sanded them. And I also gave them a coat of gesso. So once the gesso dried, I used the Arrtx markers, and I did make a swatch card just to see how the colors look on paper and just basically to try the markers out because I've never used acrylic markers before and they're really buttery. I don't know how else to describe it. The paint just kind of glides on, but the pens themselves have a really nice soft pointed tip. So painting the fishes was really easy. The markers are quite opaque and they dry pretty quick, so it's really easy to layer colors on top of each other because they don't smudge. And it only takes like one coat to cover the previous color, and really you get the benefit of not having to mix individual colors. You can just grab a pen and paint on top of the fish. For this fishy, I really didn't like the dark fins, so I just painted over them, and you can see it only takes like one coat to cover up the darker color underneath. was happy with the fishies. I wanted them to have a bit of a glossy look, and I'm not a fan of resin, so I just used the Liquitex gloss varnish, and I didn't have any sort of color lifting while I was varnishing. As for the frame, I took the backing out and put some balsa strips on the inside just to give it a bit more depth, and to the back I also attached some balsa that I lightly stained with acrylic paint. At this point, I did think it looked a bit empty with just the fishies inside the frame, so I decided to sculpt some seaweed and seashells, and I also painted them with the acrylic markers. I was really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks really adorable. But I just want to say thank you to Arrtx for sending me the markers. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use them in the future as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed the project, and I will see you in the next one.